Welcome to Traders Terminal. Based on your vote counts, we have decided to explain different chart types and we will make three parts of the same. The first part will include bar chart, candlestick chart and Heikin-Ashi. Alright, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, a bar chart. A bar chart is often called as OHLC or Open High Low Close Bar Chart or HLC bar chart. How is a bar chart calculated? So, the first price traded during the bar of the decided time frame is indicated by the horizontal foot on the left side of the bar. The high is the highest price traded during the bar formation of the decided time frame and is indicated by the top of the vertical bar. Low is the lowest price traded during the bar of the decided time frame and is indicated by the bottom of the vertical bar. Close, the last price traded during the bar of the decided time frame, is indicated by the horizontal foot on the right hand side. So now we have an important point to mention that the open and close indicates actual price at which the underlying script is trading at that point in time. If the closing price is greater than the opening price, then the bar would be green in color. And if the closing price is lesser than the opening price, then the bar would be red in color. So to give you a perspective, we've taken a 15-minute time frame on Nifty 50. So now we will take the 1230 bar to understand different chart types. So now in the bar chart, the left horizontal line is the opening price. The high is indicated by the top of the bar and the low is indicated by the bottom of the bar. And the right horizontal line which we can see will be the closing price. If the right horizontal price is greater than the left horizontal price, which means if the close is greater than the open, then we will have a green candle. And if the close is lesser than the open, then we will have a red candle as in this case. Alright, so the significance of the bar chart is that it successfully plots open, high, low, close of the underlying script to give you a better sense and better perspective. So now we will see that why is candlesticks preferred over bar chart. Bar chart, due to its complicated pattern, was difficult to trade with on real-time basis, and now hence we have candlestick patterns as well as Heikin-Ashi. So now let's move on to how candlestick came into play. Number 2, candlestick chart. Candlestick chart is an improved version of the bar chart. Candlestick uses the same set of data points used by the bar chart, and hence we can say that it is an improved version of the bar chart. In candlestick, the body is formed by the opening and the closing price, whereas highs and low is indicated by the wicks. Let's try to understand what do we mean by that. So now we know that the bar chart uses its actual opening and closing price in order to form its particular bar. Now to make a candlestick, what do we do is we basically form a rectangle or a candle between the opening and closing price, right? And the highs and the lows is indicated by a wick. So let's see how this looks. So this is how the candlestick looks. Candlestick makes the body of the opening and closing price, and the highs and lows is indicated by this wick lines. So now why is candlestick preferred over bar chart is because it shows a clearer trend than the bar chart. So now why is candlestick the most commonly used chart type? It is because we have a lot of candlestick patterns which we have created in order to determine a trend and hence the trade. For example, these are a few common candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, harami, dark cloud cover, rising sun, two lows, high close, two highs, low close, hammer, pin, doji. And there are many more. You can press the I button here to watch the three patterns every trader must know. Alright, let's move on to Heikin-Ashi. Number 3, Heikin-Ashi chart. Heikin-Ashi means average bar in Japanese. So we have decided to spend more time in Heikin-Ashi chart is because bar charts are least used these days, candlesticks everyone knows about it, and Heikin-Ashi is another improvised form of candlesticks which not many are aware about. So Heikin-Ashi is an improvised form of candlesticks which is gaining humongous popularity of late. Heikin-Ashi is an improvised candlestick chart aimed to smoothen a trend. Heikin-Ashi candlesticks use the open and close data from the prior period and the OHLC close data from the current period to create a combo candlestick. So what do we mean by this? We'll explain you in detail just in a while. Now, how is Heikin-Ashi chart calculated? Heikin-Ashi close is simply an average of the open high low close of the current period. Heikin-Ashi open is the average of the prior Heikin-Ashi candlestick's open plus the close of the prior Heikin-Ashi candlestick. And the Heikin-Ashi high and the Heikin-Ashi low is similar to that in candlesticks. Alright, so now let's practically understand how Heikin-Ashi charts is calculated. So this is the 15-minute chart time frame of Heikin-Ashi on Nifty 50. So we can see that this 1230 candle's body is smaller in the Heikin-Ashi chart, whereas the 1230 candle in the candlestick chart is huge. So this is the difference that comes through in a Heikin-Ashi chart and a candlestick chart. So let's see how a Heikin-Ashi chart is calculated. First, the opening price. How is the opening price calculated? So in order to calculate this 1230 price candle's open price, what Heikin-Ashi does is it takes the previous candle's open and the previous candle's close, right, and takes the average of the two as its opening price. So we can see from here that the opening price of Heikin-Ashi candle here is 10,614 and the closing price is 10,617.9. Therefore, if you take the average of 10,614 and 10,617.9, then we get the opening price of the Heikin-Ashi candle at 12:30, which is 10,616.25. So this is how we generated our opening price in Heikin-Ashi. So now we can see that the opening price on the candlesticks is 10,617.95, whereas the opening price on the Heikin-Ashi chart is 10,616.25, right? So we have to understand that a candlestick represents the actual price at that point in time, whereas Heikin-Ashi, as the name suggests, takes average of the opening and closing of the previous candle in order to determine its opening price. Alright, now how is Heikin-Ashi close calculated? Heikin-Ashi close is calculated by simply adding the open, high, low, close and dividing it by 4. If it's this simple, what is the confusion all about? The confusion is that what is the opening, high, low and close? The confusion is that the opening, high, low, close is of the actual price and not the average price that the Heikin-Ashi shows. What do we mean by that? Since candlestick price chart or bar chart simply represents OHLC for a given period, we take note of OHLC from the candlestick or bar chart. It is important to note that bar chart and candlestick chart simply represents OHLC and hence it reflects the true price levels at that given time. But Heikin-Ashi chart is created to normalize a trend and hence it uses average prices. Therefore, to calculate the closing price, which is the average, you will have to consider the real prices, which will be reflected by the candlestick or the bar chart. Hence, we mentioned previously that the open and close of a bar chart and a candlestick chart indicates actual price at which the underlying script is trading at that point in time. Hence, to now calculate the closing price of the Heikin-Ashi chart, we will take the open, high, low, close in actual, which will be represented either by the bar chart or the candlestick chart. Here we can see that the opening price is 10,617.95, high is 10,627.1, low is 10,600.1 and close is 10,602.7. So when we take this data available to us and put it in a formula which is OHLC of the true price divided by 4, which comes to 10,611.96, which will be the closing price of this particular candle. And hence we can say that the body formed in Heikin-Ashi chart will be different from the body formed in candlestick chart. So now, why is Heikinashi gaining so much popularity? The main advantage of Heikinashi is that the charts are much smoother looking, which helps us to easily identify the trending direction. What do we mean is that while candlestick charts may flip flop constantly from green bar to red bar and to green bar, Heikinashi chart tend to have longer stretches of green and red bars, which provides clear highlighting and confirmation of current trends. Chart patterns of Heikinashi are used in a similar way to candlesticks to identify trends and trades. Alright, so now we will change the Heikinashi chart time frame to 3 minutes to give you a better sense of what do we mean by smoother signals. So now we have the 3-minute chart on Heikinashi, and now we will also take a 3-minute candlestick chart to give you a sense on how the difference plays out in the two. So we saw that between 11:15 a.m. to 12:03 p.m., Heikinashi gave constant green candles and hence was better able to predict this particular trend in a smoother fashion. Whereas in the candlesticks, we can see that between 11:15 a.m. to 12:03 p.m., there were several red candles which may have given us a sense to exit earlier if we had any trades in position. Alright, with this, we conclude our today's intraday lesson. You can follow us on Telegram, link is shared in the description below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Happy trading!